When it comes to baking and cooking, a stand mixer is an essential tool for any kitchen. This is where our list of the top 5 best stand mixers available for purchase this year comes in. As always, you can find all of the product links in the description below. And let us know which devices you'd want to see in our upcoming videos in the comments. Number 5. KitchenAid Stand Mixer. KitchenAid KSM150 PSER Artisan Tilt Head Stand Mixer is one of the most popular and highly rated stand mixers available on the market. With its sleek and stylish design, this mixer is a great addition to any kitchen. Its powerful motor and versatile attachments make it ideal for a wide range of tasks, from kneading bread dough to whipping up fluffy meringues. This stand mixer comes with a 5-quart stainless steel mixing bowl that is large enough to handle even the biggest baking tasks. The tilt head design makes it easy to add ingredients and remove the mixing bowl. The included pouring shield helps to prevent messy spills and splatters. With 10 speed settings, this mixer can handle any task with ease. The included attachments, including a flat beater, wire whisk, and dough hook, make it easy to mix, knead, and whip a variety of ingredients. The attachments are also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. In addition to its powerful motor and versatile attachments, the KitchenAid KSM150 PSER Artisan Tilt Head Stand Mixer also boasts a durable construction that is designed to last for years. It also comes with a 1-year warranty, giving users peace of mind. Number 4. Dash Stand Mixer. The Dash Stand Mixer is an affordable and stylish option for everyday use in the kitchen. This electric mixer has 6 speed settings and comes with both dough hooks and mixer beaters, making it a versatile tool for baking and cooking. The 3-quart stainless steel mixing bowl is the perfect size for smaller batches of dough, frosting, meringues, and more. The mixer is designed with a tilt head for easy access to the bowl and attachments, making it simple to add ingredients while mixing. The mixer also features a compact and lightweight design, making it easy to store in smaller kitchens. The aqua color adds a pop of fun and style to any kitchen. Whether you're an experienced baker or just starting out, the Dash Stand Mixer is a great option for those looking for a budget-friendly and functional mixer for everyday use. Number 3. CUSIMAX Dough Mixer. Stand mixers are a must-have for any baker or cooking enthusiast, and the CUSIMAX Dough Mixer is a great option for those in search of a high-quality, versatile mixer. This tilt-head electric mixer comes with a 5-quart stainless steel bowl, a dough hook, a mixing beater, and a whisk, making it perfect for a variety of tasks, from kneading dough to whipping cream. One of the standout features of the CUSIMAX Dough Mixer is its powerful motor, which can handle even the toughest doughs and batters. With 6 different speed settings, you can easily adjust the mixer's speed to suit your needs, whether you're mixing a delicate cake batter or a dense bread dough. The mixer also comes with a splash guard, which helps to prevent messes and spills and makes cleanup a breeze. The tilt head design allows for easy access to the bowl and attachments, making it easy to add ingredients or remove the bowl for cleaning. Another great feature of the CUSIMAX Dough Mixer is its upgraded dishwasher-safe attachments, which are easy to clean and maintain. And with a sleek, modern design, this mixer is sure to look great on any kitchen countertop. Overall, the CUSIMAX Dough Mixer is an X. Number 2. CUSIMAX 6.5 QT Stainless Mixer. One stand mixer that you may want to consider is the CUSIMAX 6.5 QT stainless steel mixer. This mixer has a sleek and modern design with a silver finish that will look great in any kitchen. It features a powerful 800-watt motor, which can handle even the thickest doughs and batters. The CUSIMAX stand mixer comes with 3 different attachments: a dough hook, a wire whisk, and a flat beater. The dough hook is perfect for kneading dough for bread, pizza, and pasta, while the wire whisk can be used for whipping cream, egg whites, and meringues. The flat beater is great for mixing cake batter, cookie dough, and other similar recipes. This stand mixer has 6 different speeds, which you can adjust according to your needs. The tilt head design allows you to easily add ingredients to the mixing bowl and remove the attachments for cleaning. The mixer also comes with a splash guard, which helps to keep your kitchen clean while you are mixing ingredients. The mixing bowl of the CUSIMAX stand mixer is made of high-quality stainless steel, which is durable and easy to clean. The mixer also has rubber feet, which help to keep it stable while it is in use. Number 1. Aucma Stand Mixer. The Aucma Stand Mixer is a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance designed to make your cooking and baking tasks easier and more efficient. With a 6.5-quart stainless steel mixing bowl, 660 watts of power, and 6 different speeds, this tilt-head mixer can handle everything from light mixing to heavy kneading. One of the standout features of the Aucma stand mixer is its versatile attachments. It comes with a dough hook, wire whip, and beater, allowing you to easily mix the dough, whip egg whites, and cream butter and sugar. The attachments are all dishwasher safe, making cleaning up a breeze. The mixer also has a tilt-head design, which allows for easy access to the mixing bowl and attachments. The mixer also has a splash guard to prevent messes and spills, and the non-slip feet keep it securely in place on your countertop. In addition to its functionality, the Aucma stand mixer is also stylishly designed. It comes in a sleek white finish that will complement any kitchen decor. It also has a blue LED light around the speed control knob, adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.